What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. We have received a brand new update for Samsung's NAV Star module on GoodLock application. This plugin enables us to customize the navigation bar or gesture navigation as per our preferences. If you are new to Samsung and new to GoodLock, I will tell you exactly how this module works. But before that, let's take a look at the version number that we have. This is 5.1.03.32, and in the change log, it says, now we can customize navigation bar height. Adjust the height of the navigation bar to 3 levels to use a wider screen. This seems to be a good feature. Let's take a look at NAV Star module now. Let me open this plugin. As you can see, we get 2 tabs here. At the bottom, we have got buttons and swipe gestures. So depending on your preferences, you can select the one you want. If you're a swipe gesture person, then we have got some cool customization options for swipe gestures. As you can see, we can enable the transparent hint to make the navigation bar hint area transparent. Then we have got this toggle to allow back gesture in full screen. Whenever you are using the phone in full screen, you will be able to use the back gesture even on the full screen mode. And then we have got this back gesture sensitivity. The left back gesture and right back gesture sensitivity can be increased or decreased using these bars. Then we have got this color customization for gesture handle, and we can also increase or decrease the gesture handle width and gesture handle transparency. As you can see, this is the gesture handle at the bottom. I can increase or decrease the handle width, and I can also change the transparency and set a color for this. Now let's come to the buttons. If you prefer to have navigation button, you can just enable this toggle and tap on OK. This will take us to the settings on the phone where we can select the button navigation. Once it is selected, you can go back to NAV Star module to customize the buttons. Now you can see, I will just turn this on. We have got an option here called new configuration. Let me just tap on this. As you can see, I can use this slider to increase or decrease the transparency of this navigation bar. Now this transparency feature has been added on Google Pixels on Android 14, which is on beta right now. I did post a video on Android 14 beta on the Pixel 6a. If you have missed that video, do go ahead and check it out. Google has added this feature which enables us to make the navigation buttons or navigation bar transparent, which is already there on Samsung Galaxy phone. Then we have got options like adaptive icon colors here. At the bottom, we've got button layout. We can select default. We can select right aligned or left aligned, or we can also add buttons. Then we have got background color option. You can choose the background color you want for your navigation bar. We have got some subtle colors here. These are some light color options that we have for the navigation buttons. Now let's go back. Here we have got a bunch of navigation icons. You can select the one you want here. Then we have got show and hide button option as well. Enabling this adds a button to the left side of the navigation bar. You can see this dot over here, by double tapping on which we can hide the navigation bar, and we can just swipe up from the bottom to again bring that navigation buttons back. Then we have got a toggle to enable the navigation buttons to show up on the home screen. If you don't want it, you can disable this. And now here is the feature which has come with this all new update. You can see customize navigation bar height. Now this is a new addition with this brand new update that we have received. As you can see, it says you can use the wider screen by adjusting the height of the navigation bar. We have got 3 levels here. This is the maximum level we have got. This is the medium size. And this is the shortest height possible for the navigation buttons bar. This is cool. It's going to help us use the wider screen real estate. Now we have these navigation buttons covering less area at the bottom of the screen. That is just amazing. This is something which we have got with this all new update. Let me know how many of you guys are using NAV Star module. If you haven't customized your navigation bar or navigation buttons yet, go ahead, use the NAV Star on GoodLock. And if you don't have GoodLock, go ahead and download the FindLock app or NiceLock application, which are the launches for these GoodLock modules. So if you're in a different region where GoodLock is not available, you can use these launches to download the APK. But this new feature addition may not be available for the APKs on the launchers, so be wary of that. But these plugins you will be able to use using the launchers like NiceLock or FindLock if you don't have GoodLock. That's about it. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, hit the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find it useful. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.